Hello friends. So today let's solve CAT 2025 Slot 1 quantitative ability questions. Okay. So we'll be solving the questions one by one. Okay. So let's start. Let's see this question, right. Now at a constant simple rate of interest, a given sum amounts to 13920 in 3 years and 8960 in 6 years and 6 months. If the given sum had been invested for 2 years at the same rate as before, but with the interest compounded every 6 months, then the total interest earned in rupee would have been nearest to. Okay. Now let's see here. This is the amount 18,960. This is the amount, the rate of simple interest in 6 years and 6 months. That is 6.5 years. So you see, this is the amount after 6.5 years. So this amount is principal plus interest for 6.5 years, right? So let's call principal as P. So principal plus, let's say interest of 1 year is SI. Let's call it SI. So P plus 6.5 times SI, interest of 1 year. This is actually 18,960, right? Okay. If I call it equation number 1. And you see this amount 13,920, it is principal plus interest for 3 years. So this is principal plus 3 years SI. We are calling SI of 1 year as SI, right? So this is 13,920. Let's call it the second equation, right? Now if I solve, I can find the value of P and SI. If you subtract, PP got cancelled. So 6.5 SI minus 3 SI, that is 3.5 SI. 3.5 is 7 by 2. So it's 7 by 2 times SI, and that is equal to this 960 and minus 9. So it will be 040, right? And this is 5040. Now from here, what we can do is, I can cancel by 7. 7 7 are 49. 7 2 are 14, 720 into 2. So this is 1440. 1440 is the interest for 1 year, right? Now we can find the principal, we can find the rate also, right? So what is the principal here? The principal will be, now you see principal, I can take the smaller one. This is smaller value 13,920. So to get the principal from 13,920, I can subtract 3 times SI. So it is 13,920 minus 3 times SI. So 3 times this into 3, right? So this will be what, 4320, right? Okay, 4320. So this will be 3 times 1440, right? So if you subtract, it will be 9,600. So principal we got 9,600. We also got the SI. We can find the rate also. So what is the rate? So see, interest in 1 year is 1440. 1440, okay, on 9600. So 1440 by 9600 and into 100%. That will give us the rate of interest, right? Correct. So this 20 got cancelled. Okay. Now this will be what? I can cancel by 12 8 ja 96. 12 8 ja 96, and this will be 12 12 ja 144. So this is 120, and this will go 15 times. So rate of interest is 15% per annum, right? Now what they want? We want that compound interest, right? Compound interest, and this money invested for 2 years, and the compound interest we want, and it's compounded every 6 months, right? Now we know the compound interest formula. It is CI equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus 1. This is the formula, right? Okay. R percent per annum, n is the number of years, right? Now we know those formulas. That's why we needed P, R and N, right? Now we know that here principal is 9600. Already we have got 9600. Rate of interest, now it's compounded half yearly. So here the rate of interest we have to write half yearly, and this n will be number of half years. So this R is, we got 15% yearly. So half yearly it will be 15 by 2%. So here it will be 1 plus 15 by 2 into 100. So, it will be 15 by 200 whole to the power number of half years. So, they are saying 2 years, number of half years will be 4. So, to the power 4 and minus 1. Now, in this is a bad calculation. You can use calculator. So, if you use the calculator, you will get the answer is more or less 3. I mean, if you look at the options, it will be 3221. So, for this question, you need calculator. Okay. Otherwise, it will be messy calculation, right? Okay. So, that's the answers. That is option 4. I hope this is clear to you.